So I want to talk about reinvesting passive income. Financial independence, as we talked about at the outset, is the result of your assets producing passive income that covers all of your expenses. Everything else I've mentioned is a source of active income or liquidity. It takes an effort to discover and pursue. To produce active income, you are trading time and effort for money. Passive income is income that comes to you through no effort of your own. Don't have to spend any time or expend any energy for passive income. Rental real estate, passive product sales. These are both kind of passive, not entirely passive. Royalties from books you've already created or products you've already created or music you've created, dividends on stocks, distributions on private businesses investments you've made in private businesses. These are all excellent sources of entirely passive income. The very first investment you make, you create your first opportunity to realize passive income. Now, when you receive your first rental payment or that first stock dividend, you've got choices. You can take the cash, put it in your checking account, spend it on stuff, or you can reinvest current passive income to increase the size of future passive income. Compounding is that eighth wonder of the world. It's what happens when you gather and save your rents until you have another down payment, or when you reinvest your dividends to buy more stock. The earlier you get started compounding, the higher the probability of your reaching financial wealth that lasts beyond your life and benefits family and community.